Hey, what's up everyone? Bit me some back with another Hbar video. So currently right now I'm on the Hedera Hashgraph 4-hour time frame. So in today's video we're just going to go over this chart, pretty much the price predictions we were giving yesterday, and we'll see where we're currently at right now. Currently price is $24.90, and then we also have this chart pretty much giving us some good support and resistance. As you can see right here, perfectly support. So my guess is that if we do push up, it'll probably be at least to as high as that, if we go that high. But we'll look into that. And then this is another same chart, but just a different way I do it. But yeah, as you can see, and then this is on the daily. Pretty much same thing daily though. Lets me see what's going on. And then I have this chart right here that was telling me April 2nd, but like I was saying for Hbar, that it was going to be the first, or if not it was around that area. So it's pretty much coming to an end. For the next candle or two will determine our next trend. So if you notice, I have this pretty much kind of like a descending triangle forming. And if you can notice, we are not able to push above this white line. We're having trouble pushing to get up against that. So what I'm pretty much trying to say is, we're going to have one more candle right here, and if this candle closes underneath the one that's on this line, the one that's on this white line, then we could go up, but most likely we're going to go back down. But let's say that one closes right there, and then the next one, yeah, that's why. Yeah, okay, so if this one closes there, then that means the next, and if the next one closes above this line, then that's a good sign. Actually, it would be right here. So if it closes above this line, we have a good chance. And then it would require this next one to close up here, and then that's when we know we're going up. So this next candle or two is definitely going to matter if we close green or if we close, well, currently where we're at right now, we're going to pretty much probably close where we're at. And current price is $24.95-ish. Like, we really got to push above that to see higher pricing, but my guess is it's going to stay contained underneath that. Then this next one possibly could get contained underneath that. If you notice, we are getting a little wick, so we could just get a wick, but like I said, I'm thinking it's going to close underneath there. But the second candle is going to be the one that I'm going to be able to call possibly this next little trend. So like I said, depending where it closes at, we'll have a good idea of what we're heading. All right, and I just want to give a few shout outs. So in yesterday's video, pretty much I asked for 10 likes. You guys did 10 likes, so I appreciate that. We did hit 76 subscribers, so I appreciate all 76. We are trying to hit 80 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, I will really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And for all the ones that just hit the subscribe button, I thank you very much, and you are a soldier. Welcome to the Bit Crew, the only channel that's predicting the tops and bottoms every single time. So yeah, let me give a few shout outs. We have Yan. He commented, thank you on this one. You're very welcome, Yan. I appreciate you commenting, and I'm glad you enjoy these videos. I'm gonna keep trying to make them better every single day with a lot of good information. So thank you for watching. And Yan also commented, "Thank you. We will hold tight." That was on the Bitcoin video. And looks like we are definitely holding tight, just like you said. And then next, we also get a few spam comments and things like that. So if you guys read comments that sound a little too fake, like I'm never, so just watch out for ones. Like this one says, "I believe that the inflation is already priced into crypto." Like, that's not what nobody's talking about. I'm gonna hide it. Oh, and Cole also suggested yesterday, "Yo, Bit, you should do a daily high and low guess for the boys. Put it at the end as a reward for watching." Yep, that's actually sounds like a good idea. So that's what we'll do today. We'll save the price prediction for the end of the video. And Taxi0509 commented, "Keep it coming, Bit. I look forward to your videos every morning." Appreciate that. Alrighty, let's just jump right into these charts and let's see what we can find. Alright, so in this first chart we were looking at was it's a little crammed, but I'll explain it. So we had this flag forming, and if you guys know, bearish flags point upwards because after this build up we usually come down. So we tested above it, came down, retest, came again, broke it. Now we're touching the bottom, testing the bottom, got a bounce, and now we're at the top again. So, and also this blue box was where we got rejected last time. And if you notice perfectly, this is exactly where we're at, is right into this box again. So if we were to push up, we have to be invited into this box. This is where the party is at, and doesn't look like we can get inside yet. This is the club door. This is to get inside of the club, and it doesn't look like we're able to get inside. So this is where I'm saying definitely watch out for that. And current price right now is $24.93. And I believe yesterday's video we were pretty much saying we needed to hold these few key targets, and it looks like we broke through all of them. And yeah, that kind of, but this is where yesterday I was also saying that this could be a fake out, because like I said, look at where we're getting rejected at, exactly where we were at before. So there's a lot of sellers in this area, which is why I think if there's a lot of sellers in this area, they're just building it up to come down harder. But we'll look into that. All right, so yeah, I'll save the price predictions for last. We'll look into that a little bit. All right, so on this chart, we broke down, found underneath this line of support. We broke down. Then we also it looks like we caught a bounce pretty much right there exactly. And bounced up, broke above it, and now we're finding this as support. So this is oh man, I just messed it up. Defaults. All right, there you go. Oh, I saved it. I would have hated if I deleted it or something. All right, sorry. So yeah, so we're catching this support right here perfectly. So, and if you notice in this flag though, the one that I made from before, this is where we're at the top. We broke out of it and now we're at the top of it. So in order for us to 24.45, let me put it right there. Yeah, so current price, we need a break. So we're at 24.94. Yeah, we need to stay above 24.68. So pretty much 24.68 we need to stay above. And it's coming in around somewhere right here. That's where we got that bounce at. So if we do push up, I think the highest price we could possibly go could possibly be around this area of around 25.50, 25.70. That's if we push up. But like I said, it's also kind of forming this, if you notice, this triangle now. So we'll just watch out for that now. See, on this chart, like I was doing, I put this box here because this is the box that was pretty much like a supply. So once we hit it, we bounced up perfectly, shot up. So there's also a line right here that's 25.27. And that's the line that we need to break above, I believe. Well, it's actually right here. This will be the first one. So the first one's going to be 25.08. So we need to push up past 25.08 and then 25.23 for us to be able to see some higher pricing. But that little box right there is the box I'm thinking we're going to get stuck in. But like I said, if we were to push up, I think we would get rejected from this line again. But if we break this line, this is the line that, like, if I were to put a short, I would put a short from up here, put my stop loss somewhere right here. So if it goes up, I get stopped out. I don't lose any, barely much, 5%, maybe 7%. But if it gets a bounce, or if it gets a rejection, we'll definitely come way back down here into this box. So if we could, that's at least a 7 to 9% gain. So it's a good jump if you can catch it. But I'm gonna have to look into these charts to find out a little bit more. Let me check the RSI real fast. I haven't been looking at that for the last few days. I've been trading without it. I mean, you can trade without it, you can trade with it. I mean, the more options you have to help you out, probably the better. As you can see on the 4-hour MACD, we did cross down here. So that definitely explains this pump. And we are moving up. So that's where I'm saying is I think if we do push up, the highest is going to be around this area where 25.50, 25.75 before we get rejected. Let me see on the daily. Alright, this is the daily. But if you notice on the daily, we are really high on this MACD. And we're really high. If you can see how extended we are. We are pushing up right now, but that's the thing is that in the next few days, it'll probably stay up for right now for the next day or two. Because I do have this, like I said, the candle we're in now is probably going to stay around there. The next one tomorrow is going to stay probably underneath here. So my bet, whereas if you can catch something as high as you can catch it, like I wouldn't do it from right here because it's still, I mean, it could. That's the one. It's weird. I don't know. I want to say it'll come up here, but then that's a little bit of a stretch. And I'm almost, because I guess we did get a wick right here. So let's see this. The highest was 25.23. So we pretty much came right underneath here. So that's where we're getting rejected at 25.25 pretty much. But like I said, you want the highest. So like, because look at this from there, that's just a little drop. You don't want to even play with that. You wanna not wait for that one. Nope. Or I mean, if you get into it, you need to be into it way up here to come down. If you try to catch a short right here, you're wasting your time. You already missed the whole move. So like I said, then people would wait till here, but then you need to make sure you sell at that point too. But this is the point that you want. That's the one. You want to catch it from here all the way. Or if you were even from up here, and no matter what, you were still in profits every single time. But that's what I'm working on. Give me a good month or two working on this so I could get confident, and I will be definitely helping out with some short and long positions and stuff like that. All right, so let me see this. And like I was saying, is that I think we're gonna, if we push up, it's gonna be only for a little bit, just to come back down into here. But like I said, this candle opens up today, and then tomorrow this one opens up, and then that's the determining factor if we're gonna keep moving up or if we're gonna move down. So definitely stick with me until tomorrow. Make sure you guys are up to date with the videos until tomorrow. This is going to be a video you're not going to want to miss. I'm definitely going to look into this a lot deeper. We'll see how low we could possibly go. But yeah, so just make sure you guys stick with me, and let's see what this next move is going to be. So I appreciate anybody watching this long into the video. If you made it this far into the video and you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, because we make videos every single day and you definitely don't want to miss out. So I appreciate that. Yep. And if anybody got any questions, just comment below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And if this video could get 15 likes, let's go for 15 likes. I'll make a second video updating where this next candle opens up at, because I believe this opens up today. So if you guys would like a second video, get this to 15 likes, and I'll make a second video later today. So yeah, appreciate everybody watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you wouldn't mind sharing this with your friends, and let your friends know you found a channel that is predicting the tops and bottoms every single time. So they definitely don't want to miss out. So I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.